Hey friends, how are you? I hope you are well. Now we learn how to protect cells in Google Sheets from other editors. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Sheets software. We can see here we already created a sheet or data table. Now I want to lock this or protect this data table. Click drag on our mouse to select this customize cells. You can protect your cells, select these cells, then go to the data option and go to the protect sheets and range option, and we can see here show the window. You can edit your description here, the range option, otherwise you can sheet protected option. Now I am select this range and set the permission. You want to protect cells on other editors, click this restrict who can edit range, only you, then click done, then close the window. Now you check this protection, go to the file menu and share the file with others, and the link general access is editor, then copy the link and done this. Then we go to our another profile and paste the link and access this file. We can see here the file. Now I am edit the title. We can see we easily did this. Now I edit the protected sheet. Now I write anything here, show the pop-up window. There was a problem. You are typing to edit protected cell or object. Now we understand this. We not writing this protected cells because this cells we protected with another editors. I hope you understand this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.